other areas of sinasabi na sa lymphoma, pwede pa rin po. Ito. Unprobable. Wala nang nodes. So, ito po. About CA. Nalagay sa CA multiple nodules. So, still go. I-weigh mo lahat. The primary state. Parang bebet ko sa 1,000 pesos. Tayo up. Parang sino kayo kasi betting na? Ano yung number 1? Kahit na may mga konting discrepancies. So, knowing that you you're not 100% certain about your diagnosis, you have to do something. Okay? So, nakikita natin malaki, most likely, may massive times, no? But not to the point of okay. Could be minimal, okay? And then the other one is cosmesis, diba? And since Hashimoto's mo nasa baba, so you can go ahead and operate. Only number 2.
So anong probability that the tumor intoxicated is close to the level?
Number 2, anong lalagay mo sa number 2? You put more weight on this one, put more weight on this one. Ano yung number 2?
Which warrants inclusion of that area during the dissection. Dapat yung kasi tinitingnan mo yung indication ng posterolateral limb. Pwede ba sa clinically positive mode na? Diba? Kasi ito, wala. Ngayon pala ka nakakita ng ganyan na occipital node. Tatanggalin mo lang yung occipital node. Kulang yun. Sino naglagay nung sila yung plan? Pero kahit nilaginitan, collective yun. Ibig sabihin mga kalika. Diba? Baka posterolateral daw.
So ano yung number 2? Magbebet kayo.
Pero dito
Age factor.
sige, how about the possibility of full table fracture in the week? May bone meal ba ito?